Alright, today we're working on another Volvo lost key situation. Customer shipped in the door handle, immobilizer box. It's going to be an Emo 3 box, basically. Here's the door handle, so here's the plan of action as usual. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to decode this lock, figure out what the existing cuts are. And then I'm going to cut a couple keys with those cuts. Keep in mind, when I decode the locks, I don't change nothing. I just make the existing key to the lock. And then after that, I'm going to put some chips into the key and program it to the immobilizer box. I'll come back. Alright, this puppy is done. 2 keys cut from scratch. Here you go. There you go. Nice and smooth. Nice spring action. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Now, when I decode these locks, I do not change nothing. I figure out what the existing cuts are in the lock. In most cases, I don't take them apart. I just decode them. Takes a little time, but I get it done. Now, the chips in these keys are now programmed into the immobilizer box. Plug and play at this point. Now, those of you that call me and say y'all having a hard time finding people, here's a few reasons. A lot of locksmiths now, some of them are either new, or just entered the field in the last couple years. So they probably haven't seen this type of stuff before. I've been doing this since the 90s. So I've been making keys for a lot of classic cars in general, and then I've been doing a lot of new stuff. So I was around when all these chips came about. So I still have all my old equipment to deal with all the late 90s, early 2000 vehicles. But that's about it. And so basically, here's a few reasons why someone may not do it also. One, they may not get enough calls to do your vehicle, so it doesn't make sense to go spend a few $1,000s or whatever for software, special equipment to deal with it. 2, they may not have the training. And 3, obviously, they don't have the equipment. So, but anyway, you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. I appreciate y'all for watching. Again, the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.